Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show you Shiatsu acupressure massage technique on the upper back. The target area is between the shoulder blade and the spine on both sides. This is the area that people carry lots of stress and tend to be very tight. Sit by the receiver's upper back facing the receiver. Put 3 imaginary dots on 3 lines and press each dot. So you will be pressing 9 points on this typically highly tense area. I like to press these points with overlapped thumbs for stability. As always, keep your armpit closed and use your body weight to save your thumbs. And reposition yourself so you can press straight down to maximize the use of your body weight. If you are generous and have time, repeat the 9-dot pattern by slightly moving upward. Eventually, the entire upper back will be pressed and the receiver will be super happy. Repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.